Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make an egg sandwich Sri Lankan style. First, gather your fresh ingredients. You will need 2 eggs, 2 slices of bread, and spices like turmeric, chili powder, and salt. Next, finely chop 1 small onion and 1 green chili. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's create the delicious filling. Heat a pan with 1 tablespoon of oil and scramble your 2 eggs with a pinch of salt and pepper. Remove the eggs and in the same pan, sauté the chopped onions, green chilies, and a few curry leaves until fragrant. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric and a 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, then mix well. With our flavorful filling ready, it's time to assemble. Lightly toast 2 slices of your preferred bread to give it a nice crunch. Next, spread a thin, even layer of butter or mayonnaise on one side of each slice. This adds moisture and extra flavor. Now, spoon a generous amount of the warm egg mixture onto one slice, then top with the other. Your delicious Sri Lankan egg sandwich is now complete. For a classic presentation and easier handling, cut your sandwich diagonally. Serve it immediately, perhaps with a warm cup of Ceylon tea, for a truly authentic experience. It's perfect for breakfast, a quick lunch, or a satisfying snack. Remember to check the description for links to other great deals, including those amazing darn tough socks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.